Hi guys, hope you're well. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox with you every bags and accessories that I have to sell, and well, let's start right now because I have so many things to show you today. This is a huge backdrop day, so happy backdrop day guys, and let's go. So the first bag that I want to show you today is the Speedy. This is a Speedy size 30 for this one. Very excited because the condition of this one is amazing. The canvas is great. I have nothing to tell on this one on the outside because it looks amazing. Like for real, it's great. I love the color, the shape, everything is impeccable on this one. The bag was super well cared of, so no, I'm very excited. Let me know in the comment if you like the Speedy still or not, because a lot of people are asking me a Speedy. So here it is. So this is a size 30. In my opinion, this is the best size ever. Anyway, so let's go back to the bag. So the leather starts to tan a little bit, but not so much actually. It's pretty, like the leather is still pretty light. So I'm very excited because this shows that the bag is really recent or was taken good care of. Leather parts here are amazing. The only thing on the outside of this one is here, the zipper. The leather part of the zipper is broken, was detached, but I believe it's still here. Yes, I do have it here. So we have it here. It's not repairable like this, but if you go to Louis Vuitton for 25 euro, you can change it. So it's very cheap to change it, actually, to repair it, and they can do it like super quick normally. Like I repaired one of the bags that I have from one client who asked me to go for her, and it was like 25 euro, and they done it like during the day, so it was super fast. Anyway, so other things are very good. You have a little rub on this corner, but it's very, very small. Otherwise, the inside of the bag right now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything, but every photo and information description will be in my website, bamluxurystore.com. I will make sure to link everything down below in the description box. This way you can click directly, go on the website, check every information. I ship worldwide. I'm French, but I'm based in Spain, and I ship worldwide, so do not hesitate. We already shipped to the US multiple times, Canada, and everything. Do not worry. Okay, so now the inside has some little stains, but it's not that bad, and it smells pretty good, actually. We have here a pocket that's still here, and the serial number. Now, otherwise, the bag looks amazing, and the price for this one is 525 euro. I will add on the screen also the USD price and the pounds price. Okay. Let's go for something else because I have so many things to show you today. Let's go for a Gucci bag. I'm very excited because this one is very nice. This is the second one I got from this collection. I used to have the one in green also. This one is beige and white cream, I would say. Very, very nice. Condition of this bag is good. I'm going to show you why. But anyway, the fabric looks very good. We have some little stain, like it was worn like a couple of times. So of course it's not brand new. On the other side, you have, where was it? It was repaired a little bit. Yeah, here. It was a little bit repaired, restitched, but it's very small and we almost don't see it actually. It's very good. Under the bag now, like you have a joint stitching here, and it's a little bit dark. Also in the corners, it's a bit rubbed and darker, but otherwise condition is pretty good. Like the leather parts of the handles are pretty fine actually. A little bit like darker on the top because otherwise it was worn. But I love the fact that you can wear the bag like so easily, can fit so many things inside. And on the inside now, so inside actually is huge. You can fit so many things. This is a dark brown fabric inside, no stain. The inside is really good. And also you have like a zipper pocket on this side with the serial number on the under the tag. But no, otherwise it's very good actually. Like I'm pretty impressed. The bag looks amazing and the price is insane. We have a price for this bag of 319 euro. I know, very low. So let's go for something else. Everything is available. I have something amazing. Stay until the end because I have a bag that was super hard to find for me at a good price because usually if I go super high, so stay until the end if you want to see this bag. Okay, now another one, and you're gonna be amazed and very excited as much as I do because this is a neverfull GM size monogram canvas. I struggled so much to find this one because they sell for so expensive. This is insane. Like the retail price is so close to the second-hand price. So it was very hard for me to get it, but in the end I got it. So for this one, I have that dust bag that is just here, so I'm super excited. This is a good thing. And the condition on the outside of this bag is actually very good. Like the conda looks amazing. You have on, where is it? Where is it? Like corners are a little bit dropped. It's very, very, very little. The bag was used, obviously, but otherwise, conda looks insane, like guys. Very, very good. Leather parts are tanned, well tanned, pretty dark, but very good condition. Like no damage, no big stain. So it's actually beautiful. I like the fact that it's like this because it shows that the bag was used, but it's a charm. Like it is the way it is. Like this is the way it's supposed to be. So that does not bother me at all. I love it. Inside of the bag now is huge. Like this is a perfect travel body or everyday bag. I'll try to show you closer, but you will have every photo on the website as usual. Inside has little stains, but it's very little because it was used, obviously. You have, but that's what I love about Neverfull. You have like a zipper pocket just here. The interior of the zipper pocket on the Neverfull is in plastic, and then you have the fabric. So the plastic part here starts to rip apart, but it's nothing that bad because you have the fabric. I don't know why they put like plastic on top of it. I find it very silly, but otherwise, this is it. You have, the serial number on this bag is behind the pocket just here. It's very hard to find, I know, but otherwise the bag is in very good condition, and the price for this one is 980 euro. This is a very good price for this type of bag, especially the GM size. We don't see it that much. Because Neverfull never comes alone, I have another one for you. So, this is a Neverfull medium size now in damier ebene. I'm gonna compare like both of them for you guys. So, this way you can see the size. So this is the GM size, this is the medium size. This way you can compare. So this is actually very good. This one is in amazing condition. Okay, I'm just gonna put the dust bag of this one over here. But this one is almost as new, like a very good condition. For this one, I do also have the dust bag, guys. So I'm very excited. And condition is amazing. The conda on the outside looks perfect. Like I have nothing to say on this one, honestly, because this is a gorgeous one. Even the leather on the outside looks perfect. This is leather, but a bit, it's a different type of leather. This one is, I would say kind of better because that's not like a light leather. This is a very dark one, so it's not damageable that easy than the other one. Anyway, so sorry, I'm gonna put my microphone here. It's easier. Sometimes I have a hard time to attach, you know. Anyway, so inside now is also very good, and I like the fact that we had this base thing. You can put it inside and it makes you like a base, and it allows you to protect the inside of the bag. This is actually very great. I'm gonna show you how it looks like on the inside. It's hard to show you guys. Well, you have every photo. Anyway, like when I remove this, the inside looks very good. You have one little stain inside, but that's it. It smells amazing in the bag. It's crazy. We have the zipper pocket here, and the inside looks as new. Like I have nothing to say. Serial number is here. Everything looks perfect on this one, and the price also is very good. We have a price of 1,200 euro for this amazing bag. This one is almost as new. Okay, let's go for something else that I have for today, and we have here a Celine pouch. I'm very excited because I don't have them so often. I tried to get them a lot more because I know you love them. So this one smells, yes, this one smells humidity, and I'm not gonna lie, but otherwise inside has some little stain, but it's very little. You'll be able to see on the website as usual, link it down below. Leather parts on the side also are a little bit like dirty, but otherwise I'm gonna link the price here on the screen. Something else, look at this. I'm so excited. We have a Nano Speedy. I'm calling him like the mini Speedy, but this is a Nano Speedy originally. This is monogram canvas, and we had the strap. Usually it's very complicated to find it with the strap, but we got it. The strap is perfect. We have some sign of fold on the parts where it was a little bit fold, for example here. Otherwise, conda on this bag is very good. The shape also of the bag is amazing. It's not fold or anything. So I'm very, very impressed. Sides, base of the bag is a little bit rubbed, but nothing that much. You have the handles start to stand a little bit for the leather, but nothing that big also. You have some little trace of wear. This is the most amazing little cutie handbag that I've been able to see. I love it, actually. I should like make a small like video what fits inside this bag. But yeah, otherwise inside you have nothing I have to say. Yeah, you have some, it's not dirt. It's, you know, something that was from a pullover maybe, or I don't know, and that stick into the bag, like that it sticks to the fabric, but it can be removed like very easily. The inside is very good. We have a serial number, the bag is amazing, and the price also is amazing. We have a price of €800. Perfect, perfect, perfect little bag. This is a perfect one. Like, you should have this one mini and the big neverfull. Something else. Hey, we have a Louis Vuitton long zippy wallet. So excited. So we have the box, we have the dust bag. It's almost as new also. I'm super excited because we have amazing items from Louis Vuitton today. This is like almost a backdrop day like Louis Vuitton. But so Kanda on the outside looks gorgeous. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Like the corners are a little bit rubbed, but very, very little. The hardware now has little scratch, but it's almost nothing. And it's very usual on this type of wallets. You can open and close very easily. Inside is gorgeous. I'm going to try to show you how it looks like. Voila, voila. Every photos are on the website. But otherwise, condition inside is gorgeous. Even the coin pocket section is as new. I've seen no trace of wear. This is insane. For me, it's as new item. So the price is €450. This is completely crazy, knowing like the retail price. Anyway, this one is as new. Perfect for a Christmas gift, in my opinion. Okay, guys, now the last one, but not the least. And it's also a Louis Vuitton. And it was super hard to find in this particular color, like the damier ébène. This is the Alma size PM. This is a great one. This is one of my favorite bag ever. This was my second hand bag ever. And I love this type of bag. I have it in epi leather, but the damier ébène is insane. Less seen. And lots of people are asking for it because you don't see it everywhere, actually. So how can I say about this bag? Because it's also in such a good condition, guys. The base has very few little scratches. This is very, very, very few when knowing, you know, how much usually it get hurt or damaged. But here on the base, you can see trace of wear, like just around here and here. But it's very, very little. Otherwise, the bag is insane. Like, it looks like it was never worn, actually. And it's insane. We have the padlock, we have the keys, I believe, inside. I'm just gonna check for you. Yes, we have the little keys for the padlock. Otherwise, inside is a red fabric. Amazing condition inside, no stain. The bag looks unworn, actually. I think it was just laid down on the shelf, and that's why it got like here a little bit rubbed, but otherwise amazing. It's as new. And the price for this one is €928. This is actually a very good price, knowing the retail price. I'm going to add also the USD and UK price as usual. But yeah, I'm very excited. I hope you will enjoy the drop of today, guys. Let me know in the comments. I don't see you comment a lot, so please comment this video if you like them, of course. Hope you will enjoy. Let me know where are you, if you watch my video. Where are you from? Let me know the city and the country you're from. I'll be very interesting to know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I will see you tomorrow because during December, you will see me every single day. Okay, thank you so much again. And I will put like maybe 1 or 2 videos around here. And yeah, see you. Bye-bye. Bisous.